Good morning, children. Welcome back to our second part of chapter number 3, that nationalism in India. Now, establishment of Indian National Congress. The above stated factors are other religion, it's a regional organization, had contributed towards the establishment of Indian National Congress. Now, how the Indian National Congress came into this? Things to know: Bengal British Indian Society, Kolkata; Bombay Association, that is Mumbai; Madras National Sabha, Chennai; Indian Association, Kolkata; and Swarjanik Sabha in Pune. By the time of Sir A.O. Hume retired as a British officer, he had realized that British Empire was not as secure as it appeared to be. He believed that if the dissatisfaction among the people of India was not taken care of, there were chances of reoccurrence of the revolts similar to be the one in 1857 CE. In order to keep the general dissatisfaction at bay, he thought of establishing a political organization. So what happened? This Hume, A.O. Hume, he realized that if there is dissatisfaction among the people of India, and if it is not taken care of, again one same type of revolt will occur that took place in 1857 CE. For that, he had introduced some political organization, that is Indian National Congress. Now, Viceroy Lord Dufferin agreed to his idea and supported him. With the efforts of Alan Octavian Hume, Indian National Congress was established in December 1885. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held on 28th December 1885 at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit School of Mumbai, with Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee as the president. 72 representatives from different regions of India were present in this conference. The main leaders present in the conference were Dadabhai Navroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Firoz Shah Mehta, Bahadur Tejabai, Tayyabji, K.T. Talank, Dinisha Vacha, etc. Many problems related to the nation were discussed then. So here a small party was organized, that is National Congress. इसमें हमारे इंडियंस भी थे एज वेल एज हमारे ब्रिटिश लोग भी, उन्होंने अपना बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स रखे। देश को आगे चलाने के लिए बच्चों बहुत तरीके चाहिए, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें सोचना पड़ता है। एट दिस टाइम many leaders of our Indians were not happy to go along with the British policies. Okay, so see, this is a picture of the committee. Okay, first Indian National Congress, it was set in Mumbai, that is 1885. Now there are some of the things you should know, you just read it. And now the Indian National Congress 1885 to 1905 in an initial stage. What was the activities that they have taken in this committee, what they have decided? So let's read about this. The initial activities of the Indian National Congress were moderate, abided by the Constitution. It included putting up demands of more political rights, economic and social growth and development of education. ये चार चीज़ें ऐसी थी: political, economic and social growth and the development of education. ये चार बातें की गई थी कमेटी के अंदर कि ये हमको आगे बढ़ाना है. Among other demands inclusions of more Indians in government services, reductions of expenditures on military and other administrative departments, debt relief to farmers, Revival of the cottage industries, etc. were included. Means इन्होंने क्या क्या बातें की थी उसके अंदर कि हमारे इंडियंस को गवर्नमेंट जॉब देना है. एज यू नो दैट ओनली द ब्रिटिश पीपल वेर दे वर्किंग इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. ओके, सो दे इंट्रोड्यूस दैट वी इंडियंस ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू वर्क इन द government sector. Then reductions of expenditure on military. Huge expenses were there on the military force. तो धीरे धीरे हमारे लीडर्स ने क्या बोला कि हम मिलिट्री के ऊपर ज़्यादा हम खर्च नहीं कर सकते हैं. प्लस डेप्ट रिलीफ टू द फार्मर्स. फार्मर्स ज़मींदार जो थे वो लोग सब क्या करते, बहुत कर्जा ले रहे थे ब्रिटिशर्स के ऊपर. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, दे हैव टू सेल ऑफ द लैंड्स टू द ब्रिटिश पीपल. तो उन्होंने बोला कि जितने भी हो सके जो कर्ज जो है, जो टैक्सेस है, वो कम किया जाए ऐसा. एंड देयर शुड बी सम इम्पोर्टेंस टू द कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज ऑल्सो. द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट टर्न डाउन दीज डिमांड्स चिल्ड्रन. However, these demands laid down a strong foundation for the future struggle. ब्रिटिशर्स को ये बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. They said no to the demands to our leaders. The Indian National Congress passed many resolutions such as the expansion of legislative council and keep at least 50% elected representative in the central and the regional level. नेशनल कांग्रेस ने क्या रेजोल्यूशन पास की, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल में 50% इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होने चाहिए, रीजनल लेवल से भी थोड़े लीडर्स आने चाहिए. उनको सिर्फ लीडर्स बनाना था पर हमारे देश को उनके हुकूमत से चलाना था. बट इट डिडंट वर्क. द पार्लियामेंट शुड बी मोर आंसरेबल एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट टू द रीजनल असेंबलीज. ड्यू टू द डिमांड ऑफ Indian National Congress, the British government granted more freedom to the press and granted more personal liberty and freedom of speech to the people of India. The Indian National Congress inspired many educated youths and fostered nationalism in the educated class. As a result, many capable and potential leaders joined this organization. एक फ़ायदा क्या हुआ कि ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने एक फ्रीडम दी थी. क्या फ्रीडम दी थी कि पर्सनल लिबर्टी दी थी और एक फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच टू द यूथ ऑफ द इंडिया. इसमें क्या हुआ, बहुत जने लोग आगे आए पढ़ने के लिए, बहुत लोग इंग्लिश पढ़ने लगे और धीरे धीरे दे स्टार्टेड टू टेक एंड जॉइन दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड ये धीरे धीरे बढ़ता गया. Now, policy of divide and rule. The initial support by the British government to the Indian National Congress soon turned to hostility. The British government officials used to attend the sessions of the Indian National Congress, but later on the government banned the practice. Governor General Lord Curzon took certain steps against the interest of national integrity and ignored the opinions of Indians. He partitioned Bengal in 1905 CE as a part of his policy of divide and rule. अभी जैसे आपको पहले भी मैंने बताया, गवर्नमेंट बनी, उसमें बहुत सारे सेशंस होने लगे. धीरे धीरे क्या किया, ये ब्रिटिशर्स भी आने लगे और वो लोग अपना इंटरेस्ट भी डालने लगे. और डालते डालते इन्होंने क्या किया, धीरे धीरे हमारे देश को बंटवारा करने लगे. सो इट इज समथिंग दैट दे वांटेड दैट इंडिया शुड बी डिवाइडेड, इट शुड बी पार्टीशन बिकॉज दे वर नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल द ह्यूज कंट्री. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ इन नेक्स्ट सेशन आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग what was the cause of partition of Bengal. Do read the textbook. Thank you.